Hi Aquarius, I'm Anisha. To know more about my work, you can visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com. For those of you who are seeking clarity on your relationships or in your career, you may write to me for a personal consultation at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. Aquarians, it's quite an exciting month for you. We have Mars that is going retrograde mid-month, followed by Mercury that goes retrograde around the 29th of April. In fact, Mercury is going retrograde 4 times this year, so a lot of exciting times for us. We begin the month with Venus that is transiting a part of your chart that has to do with your siblings. It has to do with short distance travel and also community at large, a place, maybe your neighborhood, where you live, maybe some kind of a involvement, contribution that is required from your side. And with Venus coming over here, Venus is going to be coming in, stimulating your mind. It's going to be making you really active. And this time, it can be also that a sibling needs help, and you could be not just be giving your support with Venus being over there. It could be a very healing energy as well for your sibling around this time. You could also be actively be looking at people who are mentally very stimulating, with whom you can have long conversations, long discussions, and wherein with whom you share your interests, and you could be quite attracted to them. This is also a time for those of you who are romantically looking at partners. You will be looking at an mental equivalent of yourself. Having interesting conversations would take more priority than how the person looks on the surface. Now this house is ruled by Gemini, and which is the house of duality. So it could be that romantically you could be interested in more than one person as well. And for those of you who are dealing with the online world, or with anything that has to do with newer technology, it's a brilliant time for you. You will be having not just great creative ideas, but there could be also innovative solutions which you will be able to offer to your clients. And there is a lot of pleasure that is found with this particular aspect in engaging with people and with communicating with them, because you will be having all the right words that you need to be doing so. Around the 6th, we have Mercury that enters a part of your chart that speaks about your home. It speaks about the space with you share with other people. It's also the house of Cancer. It rules your mother. So around this time, they can be that your mind could be quite clouded with emotion, because it's a very emotional house, and you could be feeling quite emotional. Some of you seem to be leaving house. Maybe you could be just changing your current place. Maybe some of you could be taking support from parents. Maybe some of you could be either moving in with your parents, or your parents could be moving in with you. And some amount of I think renovation is happening, some amount of change of home is happening around this time. And while everything seems quite smooth as far as communication is concerned, it is just a lot of emotions involved, mixed emotions. You could be feeling quite nostalgic about leaving the house, and there could just be a lot of a gamut of feelings, maybe even a sense of regret that could be there. And it's a time wherein that you are also looking at stable and familiar surroundings as well. I think a lot of you are working a lot from home these days, so you could be seeking that familiarity that just our home provides. Around the 7th, we have a lovely new moon, and this again is highlighting your house of siblings. It's a house of education as well, and this is just going to enhance your need to communicate more, Aquarians. It's just a time wherein that you are going to be get bored very easily. I think your mind is really going to be working overtime, and making quick decisions is it's not just favorable, but this is how that you would want. You will be able to decide very quickly. You'll be gathering the facts, you'll have all the information that is required, and then you will just decide to move on. So you may find to your surprise that things are moving more faster than you had anticipated them to be. This is also a time where you will be wanting to expanding your mind to newer things, to more larger things, and feeding the mind at all times is the best possible way of doing so. This house also rules siblings, so it can be that you could be spending a lot of time with your siblings or even with extended family. It could be that you have people or relatives coming in, staying with you during this time. Short distance travel is a part of that as well, and you could take perhaps a day off or traveling, or it can be also that it's either a work or even pleasure. Updating the close environment, most likely through your community, could also come about. It can be that you are volunteering yourself for some community good during this time as well. Around the 17th, we have Mars that goes retrograde till about June 29th, and this is retrograde is happening for you in your house of friendships and groups of people, and the next month it goes to your house of career. So this month, your energy, your enthusiasm, even passion gets impacted by Mars retrogrades. It's not the best of time to be picking up a new job or even starting a lawsuit or even a new romance as well, because the energies are quite low during a Mars retrograde. And it can be that because it's speaking about your groups of people and friends at large, it may seem that it may seem hard to be getting along with people at large, and you would want to sort of do things on your own and not be a part of the herd. And it can be that you will find that progress is really slow, and you could feel it's due to your friends that the progress is not happening as fast as it should. So try not to blame your friends, Aquarians, and try not to sort of put a lot of responsibility of success on them, because unfortunately their mind is not going to be on an overdrive as your mind is going to be this month. So just sort of step back, and if there is a certain little bit of an uncomfortable time with a close friend, take sort of a time off rather than breaking the friendship. Around the 20th, Sun is again coming and lighting up your house of home, and this is where your home is and your family is, and you may do something new to your house. It calls for a renovation. Maybe some of you are going to be buying, leasing, renting, moving homes, and it's also that some of you could just be spending time fixing up your house and making it more comfortable, more cheerful for yourself. Some of you could be making your home as a work base as well, so you could be focusing on making it into an office come a personal space as well. Try and build on your work, on your inner foundations as well, Aquarians. It's a good time to be sort of be in touch with your emotions during this time, and it's also a brilliant time to be planning long-term projects. Around the 22nd, we have a full moon that is happening in your house of career and your reputation, and it seems something is coming to an closure. Either you're leaving a job or some project has come to a fruition, or for some of you it can be that you have achieved what it is that you had set to achieve at your workplace. So a time of accolades, a time of recognition is there, and promoting yourself during this time can be brilliant for your career. Be your own advocate, be your own cheerleader, and you, however, are going to be quite comfortable about letting others know about your accomplishments. And this is also a time where a lot of you are going to be setting a new direction for yourself, that you are the focus is really on entrepreneurship, on doing things that you're passionate about, that you love. And it can be that during this time authority figures can be a source of irritation and of delay, and especially if you have not been on cordial terms with them, your social status could take a hit. So be a little careful over here, and be careful that you watch yourself in public and what is it that you say, otherwise your reputation could take a hit during this time. Around the 29th, we have Mercury that is going retrograde in your house of home and your parents. So it's a time to rethink, reevaluate, and re-look at things. Maybe there are certain loopholes that are there. Maybe certain plans need to be re-examined. So use this downtime towards end of the month to re-examine your plans again. It's been a pleasure speaking with you, Aquarians. A quick reminder for those of you who are seeking clarity in your personal relationships and in your career, you may write to me for a personal consultation at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. I'll see you again next month, Aquarians, and thank you so much for watching.